Hey everybody, it's Allison and welcome back to the Unamundum YouTube channel. For today's Tutorial Tuesday, I'm going to be giving you some tips on how to organize your computer. Here is my desktop. So it's not too messy, but it's definitely more cluttered than I would want it to be. I like it to be very plain and know where to find everything. So my first tip is to come up with categories that you want to sort your things into, and it'll make organization so much easier. So currently this screen is full of unedited YouTube videos and finished YouTube videos. So right now my main categories that I'm seeing are finished YouTube videos and unedited YouTube videos. So I'm gonna go ahead and just move them into their own areas. Alright, so now that I've lumped most of my things into categories, all of these I've sort of lined up because I've looked through everything on this right side here and I want them all just how they are, so I'm not going to touch them. But these ones I do want to organize a little more. So what I'm going to do is make a new file, and on a Mac, how you do that is you go to File, New Folder, and then you'll see this folder will pop up and you can drag around all your files and then drag them in, and now they'll be all tucked away in this nice little folder. And the way that you can rename your folder is go to File, Rename, so I'm going to name it Finished Videos, and then we're going to move that over to the side for later, and I'm just going to repeat the same thing with all my unfinished ones. So now that I've got these two folders, you can also put folders within folders. So I'm going to make yet another folder, and I'm going to put these two folders into this folder. So I'm going to show you another example of how I organize things. I know a lot of people who are watching this are probably students, so I want to show you how I organize my school documents. First off, I name the largest folder by year, and then within the year I have one folder for each subject. And then within the subject, if I ever have a big project or something that had a lot of extra documents involved, I would also make a folder within the subject folder. But yeah, mostly what I would say is try to have a consistent sorting method. If you set yourself a system and you commit to it, you're going to be a lot more likely to just know exactly where to put things right when you make them. I would also say make some time every so often to just clean out all of your unneeded files. And yeah, alright guys, that was my tutorial on how to organize your computer. As always, make sure to subscribe to our channel, comment down below if you have any questions or video recommendations. You can also email us at team@unaminum.org. Make sure to check out our website, follow us on Instagram. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this video helpful.